Registration is open for the 28th Annual LCI Congress in Atlanta, Georgia, from October 12th to the 16th, 2026. To register, navigate to congress.leanconstruction.org and click the Register Now button at the top of the page. You must have a MyLCI account to register for Congress. You can create one for free or log in if you already have a MyLCI account. If you are part of a corporate member organization and are just now creating your account, it may take up to 24 hours for your corporate member discount to take effect. Once you're logged in, click Register Myself or Register for Someone Else if you are registering on behalf of other employees. This will refresh the page with your information now included in the registration box. This will register you for the core program Wednesday, October 14th and Thursday, October 15th. Please remember to opt in to receive third-party communications about the newest technologies and innovations from our Congress sponsors and exhibitors. Then, save your response. If you would like to select any paid add-ons, you must do so here. The golf tournament takes place on Monday, while Learning Day is offered on Tuesday. If you plan to attend either of those, please make your selections now. Click Add next to the session you want to add to your registration. You will see One in Itinerary next to a session you've successfully added. This notice will also automatically show up next to all general sessions. Please do not remove it. We also encourage you to add your core program concurrent sessions during this time, though it is not required. There are 5 breakout session times on Wednesday and 5 breakout session times on Thursday. You can reference the interactive agenda for session descriptions. If you are registering for a Gemba tour on Friday, you must select the tour you're planning to attend. Once you've completed adding courses and add-ons to your schedule, click Proceed to Checkout. Next, enter your payment method. Click Submit Order to submit your registration. You will immediately receive an order confirmation email. You will also receive a second email within 24 hours of your registration with information about the hotel block and the sessions you have signed up for. If you have any questions, please contact congress@leanconstruction.org. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in Atlanta this fall.